Contacts can be imported in a few different ways. Let's start in the Messages app. In this conversation with Drew, notice that his contact information has been recognized. In this case, we can just tap Add to save him as a contact. Or we can review his details with a tap up here. Notice that an email for Drew has also been recognized. We then have the option to save him as a new contact or add this number to an existing contact. I'll save Drew as a new contact. We can then add or edit his contact information just as if we were creating a new contact. Next, Drew is going to share a contact via Messages. Just tap on it here and we can import the contact. Scroll down, tap Create New Contact. Review or add to the information if needed, then tap the checkmark to save. Next, let's jump into the Files app. Here in the desktop folder, we have a VCF file or a vCard. When contacts are exported, this is the file type that is typically used. Tap to open it and view the contact's details. Tap the Share button and Contacts to import, then save. Matt Smith is now available in my contacts list. Next up, we will look at organizing contacts with lists and how we can export contacts.